Yo, we got the final game of the day, that being the Lakers vs. Suns. I think the Lakers are, what, 2-0 against them this year? Battle of the trash, low-key, battle of the struggling, battle of the not too good right now, so, and supposed to be better. So let's see who's gonna get the dub, man. Had some crazy games today, a lot of blowouts. Knicks Mavericks game was a really good game in the last game, so let's see how this final game of the day goes. Let's get it.
Russell will work low. Allen will defend. D'Angelo Russell. Ran 11 the other night against Toronto. Comes up with his first two. Lakers down to 43% shooting. Christie will watch it go in. Allen. As Ibuki is screening, Allen will put one up on the run. And Grayson Allen continues to put it up. He had missed the last 4 shots. And Russell gets it off to Davis, who dives in for the deuce.
The Lakers, they got to play better, be better. And I think they will, but guys have to step up. Like
Reeves!
Austin Reeves. Reeves has to shoot the ball better.
It's Booker against Christie.
Other guys definitely have to step up for the Lakers. No doubt about that.
Booker's having some kind
no doubt about that, but I don't think they could. I don't think they could. They're pretty ass.
LeBron.
Hayes.
And Jackson Hayes puts it up and through. Nice knock away the aggressive Vanderbilt with the reach. Reeves holding on for Hayes.
Hey!
This reminds me of the way Hayes played with New Orleans. As Beal takes it in with the collision and gets the 2. Just hit it through.
LeBron looked like he may have turned an ankle.
Hopefully
Gets it in, gets it to go. Fouled on the play, and James looking at his left ankle. Freeze, good. Jared Vanderbilt. Shot clock.
Hey, D. Oh my goodness, that is.
Wow, what a stroke. Kevin Durant.
That is a nice shot.
He's got 7 points, 3 Beal. Good.
Right?
Wow, nice shot. Good looking stroke by Bradley Beal. Ron takes it through traffic, and Hayes will finish it off. Kogi can't get it. Vacuums it in. Takes it away.
Holy shit! Oh my goodness! Come here and 1. Damn.
Booker, stutter step.
Okay. Booker of Devin. Lakers freaking got the home calls last game against my Raptors. I love my coach going crazy about that. Speak up. Ms. Bolton LeBron's like, I feel like they fouled. We didn't. Shut the fuck up, LeBron. All you do is bitch about calls and it's one game. Of course y'all fouled. Y'all fouled. Stop the cat. Stop the cat. Bullshit. Bullshit. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. BS. Like the coach said. Like, if you're just gonna rig it, just tell us so we don't play our players, bro. Ridiculous. Ridiculous.
How good has he been all season long?
Booker, 14-footer is pure, puts it up and through. Devin Booker, 23 points. LeBron,
80.
put it right into the big man.
What a move!
Beal inside. Nice defensive play by Davis.
Oh my goodness, are you kidding me?
Wow.
Are you kidding me?
One of the best passers of all time. Not the best passer of all time.
Durant goes here with a shot over
Damn.
Prince.
Tough shot.
How about LeBron?
You got Vanderbilt
Masses.
starting the second half.
Still
For the
getting
Lakers,
cooked,
so that's
though.
gonna hurt him. He's their best perimeter defender as
LeBron
James again, coast to coast with contact, being able to finish.
Durant, he'll fire
Durant!
and put it
Up, Kevin.
down.
Okay.
Allen volleyballs it free. Durant to Beal.
Bradley Beal looks like he's having the best game of his
And this
season.
one is perfect.
How about the unselfish play there by Kevin Durant?
Beal
Nice
got
pass.
it from
unselfish
Durant.
play. He's wide
Nice
open,
pass
bro.
again by
It
KD
was.
to Bill.
Inside Davis, spun around, got 3 and puts it up and in. Booker,
The Lakers are getting destroyed. You love to see it.
Stroke by Booker and 26 for
It's
him.
wide open. They are
From in
exploiting that
close.
middle.
He's trying to take some information
this.
away by
Hey, deal for steal. Okay.
Davis.
Okay, Kevin.
Kevin
All right, Kevin.
galloping the other way, and 14 for him. Beal drives, Christie
Beal.
is in, makes the feed
Beal.
on the doorstep.
Up the
Gets it.
glass.
Right back at the hot hand. Bradley Bill.
Suns are shooting 50%.
Brad.
Faking a spinner.
Brad.
Puts in 2 more and
But
22.
Russell goes down.
Shot clock at 3. Reeves putting one
Reeves,
up.
sir.
Minute to go.
Okay, right back at KD.
That's the first
Prince
Laker field
missed
goal in
it.
over
Vandy.
4.5 minutes. And then
Randy.
cleans it up for the Lakers.
Right.
And Beal in attack mode and a step back 3. Ooh, nice stroke. Beal's got 14 in the quarter. Davis got the feed and slithers in for 2. Beal will dance, fire and hit, and Reeves will pick up a foul. Here's a shot by Russell. Beal's got it.
He's feeling it. Oh my goodness, Bradley Beal, they're up 30. Why is every game today a blowout? What is good with the blowout today? I'm about to turn this shit off. Why are all the... Oh, I thought that was the Lakers bench. I was like, why are they all standing up? Whoa!
Davis, Russell, triple, bucket. D'Angelo Russell with another 3 here in this quarter and 14 for the game. Christie.
Get that shit out of here, Bobo didn't even jump!
I don't think he did either. Durant spinning.
Did I know he did? Look at that blowout. I'm about to be out of here. Once the starters get out of here. Don't even pull LeBron back in. Don't even pull LeBron back in. Don't y'all dare pull LeBron back in.
Durant had the deflection.
Don't y'all dare pull LeBron
To
back
the
in.
other end, and Kevin is down there to put it in with ease. Okay, here's a shot in the
Look
corner.
at the people in for the Lakers. LeBron out of here.
Back-to-back bucket by Mays. Yeah.
Lakers are so bad. They're literally like the worst in the league. They're awful. 37 for Beal. Holy shit, Beal! Best game by the Lakers by far. Only 10 for LeBron. Only 13. Oh my, this is embarrassing. This is embarrassing.